Hi friends, welcome to Eco Engineer YouTube channel. Today we discuss about the subject is probability theory and stochastic process. In this subject, the Ravi Kumar sir given assignment questions. Today we discuss about those questions. Those assignment questions must be written in your notebook. Now let's go to the topic. Now the subject is probability theory and stochastic process. In this subject, those assignment questions were: the first question is state and prove bias theorem. I repeat it: state and prove bias theorem. The second question: definite joint and conditional probability. Differentiate joint and conditional probability. The third question is show that P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus of P of A intersection B. Show that P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Now the fourth question, define probability axioms and their properties. Define probability axioms and their properties. The fifth question, define probability base and relative frequency and classical definition. Define probability base and relative frequency and classical definition. On the sixth question, define equally likely events and exhaustive events and mutually exclusive events and sample events. I repeat, the sixth question is define equally likely events, exhaustive events, mutually exclusive events, and sample events. Now, seventh question, define random variable and explain the classification of random variable with examples. Define random variable and explain the classification of random variables with examples. Now the eighth question, explain about conditional probability and its applications. Explain about conditional probability and its applications. Now show that conditional probability satisfies the axioms of probability. Those two questions were important for mid-exam. Now the assignment question, we have to write a choose anyone. In this question, explain about conditional probability. This conditional probability is similar to both questions, but and its applications. In this, it satisfies some condition in conditional probability. Those conditions satisfies the axioms of probability. Now, the ninth question: state and prove total probability theorem. Define independent and events and show that if A and B are independent, then show the following is also independent. Those are A and B bar. Second one is A bar and B. Third one is A bar and B bar. I repeat the seventh question from define random variable and explain classification of random variable with examples. Explain about conditional probability and its applications. Show that conditional probability satisfies the axioms of probability. State and prove total probability theorems. Define independent events and show that if A and B are independent, then show the following is also independent. Those are, first one is A and B bar, the second one is A bar and B, the third one is A bar and B bar. Those questions are assignment and also those are important for mid-examinations. In this mid-exam, some of questions are coming from these questions from your mid-exam. Another semester also very important questions. These questions must be written in your notebook. This information is given by Ravi Kumar sir, the subject staff. Okay friends, thank you very much.